Imagine the frustration between a patient and a doctor who cannot communicate with one another. This happens every day. A patient who has an issue comes into the doctor's office and cannot communicate the issue that they are having, and the doctor cannot understand what is going on with the patient. The most recent U.S. Census actually indicates that 21.4 million Americans speak English less than very well. In response to this, the translation and interpreting field has grown tremendously. It is experiencing a very rapid growth, in fact, more rapid than any other occupation right now. So what can we do to help alleviate the frustration between a doctor and patient, and what can we do to aid in this process?
Well, Kayla, considering these facts, the Language and Culture Resource Center at ETSU will offer a certificate program in healthcare translation and interpreting beginning this fall of 2010. The program is designed for bilingual individuals who are proficient in Spanish, French, German, Japanese, or Chinese.
Right, and after completing this program, students will be able to translate and interpret medical documents proficiently and accurately.
Kayla, can you explain us the difference between translation and interpretation?
Sure. Translation is the written form of taking one language, the source language, into another, and then interpreting deals with the spoken form, conversational aspects between the patient and provider. If you would like admission requirements to the program, please visit the webpage that is appearing on the screen right now.
In addition, the candidates need to pass telephonic speaking and listening test. In order to schedule and pay for this test, you can visit the website that will appear on your screen right now. It will ask you for a group code, which is ETSU.
Right, Melanie. So please remember that being bilingual is a gift. You can share this gift with your community by being a translator and interpreter. Not only will your profession be in high demand and be well paying, but also you're able to share this gift and really put it to use in your community.
If you need more information regarding the program or the admission requirements, you can contact Dr. Ardis Nelson at the number and email address that appears on your screen right now.